Guys, have you ever wished you could expand your phone storage in a snap? Have you got an iPhone 16 Pro and want to shoot video in ProRes at 120 frames per second? Well, today we're diving into something pretty cool. It's the P10 by Aiffro. Now, this new USB-C 20 gigabits per second magnetic portable SSD has got some neat tricks up its sleeve. So stick around to see how this little gem is going to change the way that you use your iPhone to shoot video. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the P10 magnetic portable SSD from Aiffro, and I'm going to tell you right away that this is a very cool piece of tech that is going to enable you to get the best out of your iPhone for shooting video. Now, strangely enough, Apple doesn't allow you to shoot ProRes video at 120 frames per second to the internal storage. Now, this may be down to the fact that the file sizes are massive for this high bandwidth recording, but add this Aiffro P10 and you are good to go. Now, before we get into it, Aiffro sent me this P10 SSD to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got a couple of USB-C connecting cables. Now, we've got one straight one, which is pretty handy if you want to kind of plug it into your computer. And we've got another one that's angled, so it kind of keeps it neat with your phone. Then guys, you have the SSD itself. Now, this is made mainly from aluminium and it feels quite premium. It's MagSafe compatible, and when attached to your phone, it's not gonna fall off, even with a case on. On the back, guys, you have a USB-C connecting port, and you've also got a little power button that illuminates with activity. Now, this SSD comes in sizes of 1 to 4 terabytes of storage, and that's fast storage at around 2000 megabits per second read speeds. So if you want a fairly inexpensive way to add fast storage to your computer or phone, then this is a pretty good way to do it. But guys, you know what? The killer feature here is that ProRes recording on your iPhone. Just take a look. So guys, I'm recording to the iPhone 16 Pro in ProRes 120 frames per second, and this is only possible using an external storage device. Now guys, we've got exactly the same. We're shooting in 120 frames per second ProRes on the iPhone 16 Pro, and this time I'm shooting it in log. So the first time was in HDR, this time it's in log, and you can see the difference between these two modes are the fact that log is kind of giving you this washed out kind of look because there's so much data that's stored in the log file that it enables you to really color grade this nicely. Now guys, we've got exactly the same. We're shooting in 120 frames per second ProRes on the iPhone 16 Pro, and this time I'm shooting it in log. So the first time, now yes, that was some awesome quality, and the fact that you can choose between HDR and log is very cool. But know this, these files are big, hence why you need external storage. I mean, a 1 minute video shot in ProRes 120 frames will be around 25 gigabytes. I mean, whoa. So guys, there you have it. The Aiffro magnetic portable SSD is the best way to use the full recording capabilities of your iPhone 16 Pro. It's also a great and inexpensive way to add storage to your Android phones and your computer. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick up one of these bad boys for around £118 for this version, which is the 1TB version, which is cheap storage. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Aiffro for sending me this cool and capable external magnetic SSD to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.